Now, let's transfer over. Whissel Widget of the Week, something we use in our business, saves us time, makes us more money, helps us have more fun. What do you got for us?
So it's an app. It's called VN.
The letter V as in Victor, the letter N as in Nancy.
Yes, sir. It is a super easy to use video editor.
Okay.
So when you're shooting a property walkthrough to either post on Instagram or send to a client, and you see all of the media teams that are big budget and they're filming these videos where it speeds up and slows down and then cuts to this and has nice transitions and all of that, that's what this app is. And it's super easy to use. So you can do your walkthroughs for your clients and send them something that looks highly edited in just a few minutes.
I love that. I was going to do another one. I'm going to keep on that same theme. The app that I use to do those things as well is called Capcut. If you've ever been on TikTok, I'm sure you've seen like edited by Capcut. They make it really easy to publish from the app. But Capcut is another tool that you can do those. And I think there's premium versions and paid or and free versions. I think I just have the free version. Yeah. But I'm really a big fan of Capcut.
Cool. I'll try it.
Cool. Thank you so much for watching this episode of the Whissel Way podcast. We will see you next week.